After much hype and anticipation, WhatsApp for JioPhone has officially arrived. The app can be downloaded from the Jio Store and will be rolled out to all users by September 20th. In this video, we tell you how to install it as well as share our experience. Here's our first look. To install WhatsApp on your JioPhone, just go to the Jio Store and in the Social tab, look for WhatsApp. Tap on it to install. Now do note that WhatsApp won't work right away after installing. So for that to work, you need your JioPhone to run on the latest software update. To do that, go to the phone setting and under the device tab, tap on software update. This will install the latest firmware update on your JioPhone. In our case, we already have the update installed, so we'll just go ahead with it. Now with the system update out of the way, in the menu look for WhatsApp and open it. Start setting up by verifying your phone number, enter your name and add a profile photo if you wish and click on done. The first thing you see is a new chat button option in the middle and an options menu on the right. Tapping the new chat button takes you to your contacts where you can select a contact and start chatting. We'll get to that in a bit. Other than this, you can even create a new group as well. Now going to options takes you to settings. You'll see three tabs over here: Profile, Account and Help. Profile tab has your personal info, then the Account tab is where you can set your security preferences such as last seen, profile photo, blocked contacts, read receipts, show security notifications and delete WhatsApp account. And finally the Help tab that has the usual help center and contact WhatsApp info. So now let's check how really is the experience using WhatsApp on JioPhone. Now don't expect all the high-end features that you see on a smartphone to be present here, as to name a few, you can't actually make a WhatsApp voice or video call. There's texting of course, and you have to use the T9 keyboard for it. If you have a JioPhone, you're probably already using T9 for other typing purposes, so this should be no different. In our tests, we did not experience any problems regarding lag when typing on this keyboard. Then there's an option to send a voice message. To do that, just click and hold the mic button on the keypad and your voice message will start getting recorded. Once done, just release the button and you'll get an option to send it or delete it. You also get the functionality where you can delete a message that you sent by mistake. To do that, just select the message you want to delete, tap on options, tap on delete, and from there you can select if you want to delete the message just for yourself or for everyone. Then you also get the option to share photos and videos from the More option that's present in the bottom left whenever you are inside a chat. You can either send a photo that's already in your gallery or you can click a new photo altogether as you wish. While sending media, again we didn't see any lag or unresponsiveness whether we selected the photo from the gallery or clicked a new one. On the bottom right is an options menu, upon tapping which you'll be able to view the contact information. From there you can mute notifications, verify security code and even block the contact and report spam if needed. Now there is Google Assistant on the phone which can only open the app for you if you ask it to, but as of now it's way faster if you open the app manually. And other than opening the app, there's nothing much the assistant can do. Other than all this, we sent a GIF on our JioPhone and the phone does support GIF playback. But when we sent a YouTube link, unfortunately the phone did not play the video and the only thing you can do with it is to view the link info. And that was our first look of WhatsApp on the JioPhone. Thanks for watching the video, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.